Meanwhile, opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips says the government's dependence on states of emergency to combat crime is misplaced. Dr. Phillips claims the security forces are under-equipped to do their duties because of a lack of resources made worse by corrupt officials misappropriating tax dollars. He was speaking at a meeting in East Central St. Catherine yesterday. TVJ's Prince Moore reports.
Because we are not going to tolerate this robbery of the people's resources that is taking place with this Jamaica Labour Party government.
No one crying out for justice, says Dr. Peter Phillips. He argues that the government is robbing taxpayers of their money. Pointing to recent scandals involving former Education Minister Roel Reid, Dr. Phillips suggested that the standards by which these investigations are being conducted are not the same which would apply to the average Jamaican.
Now, hear me what upset me most about the way this matter has been handled. You see, for anybody inside here, where them say you're guilty of some wrongs, them lock you up long time, and then them say them going to continue their investigation.
He also criticized the government for its continued use of states of emergency to tackle crime, describing the Andrew Holness-led administration as a gearbox with only 2 speeds. This after expressing support of the newly imposed state of emergency in the St. Andrew South Police Division.
The embarrassment. When it comes to crime, hear me now. 7 state of emergency in a year and a half. 7. And criminals still walking the street with impunity all over. It's as if the government have 2 speed. Slow and state of emergency when it comes to crime control.
His final statements at the East Central St. Catherine meeting were geared towards the upcoming election.
I just want to deal with one more thing, because as Keisha says, not a night for a long speech. But I don't want you to go out and follow no propaganda like the PNP is not prepared and ready for victory.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.